Nvidia once again is carrying the market today. Check this out. Highs of 10899, pretty much almost hitting highs of 109 today. And the market, the NASDAQ market, is slowly following behind. So even the NASDAQ market isn't showing signs of it making new highs from its pre-market session. But Nvidia, there it goes, just broke below 109 and is up 4.2%, leading the market in big tech when it comes down to overall growth. You guys let me know what you think. When we look at this on the 30-minute or on the 1 hour, we can see that Nvidia is now finally beginning to trade above that moving average. Or if we look at this on the 4 hour, we could see that we could be potentially in the early stages of a potential reversal. So Nvidia has been very oversold. There is no significant news on why it's actually beginning to recover, other than it's been oversold for about a week. And maybe that was enough for the bulls to be confident enough to buy into it to then actually be making some higher highs or higher lows. The thing that I do want to remind you is that the CPI data report is not tomorrow, but it's on Wednesday, 1 hour before the market opens, which could completely change the overall trajectory of the market. So as of right now, market's in the very early stages of showing signs of a potential reversal. And with Nvidia leading the way, there's a lot of margin to be made, but all of this can come to an end right during that CPI data report if it comes in higher than what is expected. I want to remind you the inflation report has been a really big focus for the Federal Reserve, so please make sure that you do not avoid or miss this. It's 1 hour before the market opens, August 14th, this Wednesday. So please make sure that you set your own reminder. With that being said, as of right now, from highs of 109, which we are currently at, if Nvidia were to make a full recovery back to previous all-time highs of 141.60, leading the way for AI companies, that would offer a 29% return. And again, for those that are unaware, Nvidia is one of the most valuable companies that are publicly traded. So in my opinion, Nvidia is a little bit more on the overbought side for that given day for no good reason. There's not any significant news that led to Nvidia pushing up. And anytime, and again, this is just my 2 cents, anytime that I quickly see a stock gap up, I don't think it's going to hold. I think it's going to get rejected. And I think there's signs of potential rejection for it to come back and retest previous lows. We were talking about this during our live trading session. On the 5-minute time frame, we are seeing the NASDAQ market lack progress on the upside. So again, by being able to slow things down, we could avoid over trading and waiting for more of a clear picture to kind of understand if we want to go long or if we want to go short for the market as these opportunities present themselves. I'll make sure that I keep you guys up to date with everything Nvidia and stock market related. All you guys have to do is make sure you follow for updates. And if you ever want to tune on into our live sessions, that's going to be right at market open. That's the second link in the description down below. And you can sign up today and watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow. We'll see you then. Take care.